Alright, welcome back. My name is Luke. I'm going to be showing you how to photograph cars today. I got my old Mazda 3 here today, and yeah, I don't know how to really start out these videos, but we're just going to try and go out, take some shots of the car. I'll explain why I'm taking these shots and how to make them look cooler in post as well. Let's get to it. I got the trusty Sony A7IV, A7 Mark IV, with a Sigma 24 to 70 2.8, and then I also have a 82mm circular polarizer on there as well. We're just gonna go around, take some shots. I'm just gonna get up my stuff quickly. So this is I typically just do center fix and then autofocus a single shot. When I'm doing video for cars, I'll do continuous autofocus, but what we'll start out right now is just to get some nice clean shots. We'll line up the car at the third row right here for the rule of thirds. Take some shots at the corner. Go to the front, get a little bit lower. Perfect. I'm gonna have to take out the garbage and post a little bit. It's not mine. I don't touch it. Don't know whose it is, whatever. I'll go for a little bit of a higher shot here. Not hard to see a little bit right now, but I'll angle it up a bit. Perfect. We'll come around to this side. We'll probably grab a wheel shot right now through the trees maybe. I'm liking this a little bit. Perfect. We'll come to the back a bit now. Just washed her a little bit earlier today, so perfect conditions almost. A little bit too bright in the back here, so we'll angle it up a bit. Do some horizontal shots as well. Got that really nice blue reflection there. Perfect. Come to a corner side again. Perfect. And then what we'll do is, I'm trying to think right now. We'll do a logo shot right here. Perfect. We'll also do a front right corner shot. There we go. Perfect. And then we'll get back a bit into another 3/4 shot. For the 3/4 shots, you want to get flush with the roof level. Right about there is perfect. And then just get some shots. Perfect. What else do we need to grab? My interior is a bit of a mess, but I'll show you what you can do with it. I might have to turn on the car. What I typically do is either like to push down the driver's side doors or windows all the way, because then you can come in here a bit. I don't know if you guys are getting this at all, but you can come in here, get some shots of the interior a bit, maybe get one of the seat, maybe like 35 or so. Perfect. We'll do one of the Mazda 3 logo down here as well. Perfect. Perfect, awesome.